Hello there, beautiful people. Today I will be reviewing the IRIS in Paris false lashes. They are high quality and a good price. And don't risk your eyes with cheap falsies. Look no further. Fits all eye shapes perfectly. You can trim them to fit your lash line. These are nice and full. They taper a little bit in the corner, which is nice, but you can cut them at intervals if it's not as long as your lash line. It's a really good value for false lashes. Best professional rated false lashes. A dramatic look and feel, premium high quality, top rated by customers. And if you don't love it, they have a 90-day guarantee to return it and get your money back. So knowing all that, these are the lashes. I've worn them once. I used another eyelash glue. I didn't use the glue that came with it, but it comes with a natural rubber latex glue. You want to wait 15 to 30 seconds for the adhesive to become tacky before applying to the lash line. So just by feel alone, I liked them. They looked good. They always look a little more dramatic in person, and then when you see them in photos, it doesn't look as dramatic. It just looks like you've got a little extra oomph on your eyes. So the IRIS in Paris, these are dramatic eyelashes. You want to ensure that you're not allergic to the product. So test the false eyelash glue ahead of time. Clean your eyelashes and eyelids so they are oil-free. Remove the false lashes from the tray gently, and if they are too wide, trim them to from the outer corner. So you want to trim them from this side, not this side. Use the glue that's encased in here. Wait 30 seconds for it to get tacky, and place along the eyelash line as close as possible to the edge of your own eyelashes. I've recently just fallen in love with false eyelashes. Since becoming a RuPaul fan of RuPaul's Drag Race, I was a RuPaul fan before RuPaul's Drag Race, but becoming a fan of RuPaul's Drag Race has really elevated my game when it comes to eyelashes. I like to have a more dramatic flair, especially when I'm going out at night. People do wear these during the day. They will wear them for their work. There's a girl who works at a burger store that I go to that wears her falsies every day, and she's rocking it. So I say do what you want to do with your makeup. But yeah, RuPaul really made me more aware of false eyelashes. I never really, my lashes are pretty lush and full, and they look good with, you know, a few coats of mascara. But this just bumps it up a little bit, and it makes you have a little bit more fun. And sometimes you feel like you have a fan on your eyes, but it's fun. It's a fun look. It's a fun thing to do. It's a fun thing to add to your beauty arsenal. And, you know, they're not super expensive, and you don't have anything to lose, because if you don't like them within 90 days, they'll give you back your money. So the IRIS in Paris premium false eyelashes and glue. Oh, they're handmade, actually. I didn't know that. So they're handmade. I don't think they're made out of mink. It would say if they were made out of mink. Mink tends to be a bit more expensive, and you can usually wear mink falsies for about 20 to 25 times. It holds the band. You can wear it for about that long. So yeah, have fun with your makeup, play, have fun with your eyes, use different color mascaras, put on falsies, put falsies on the bottom. Just do everything. That's what Kim Kardashian does. what would Kim Kardashian do? Wear false eyelashes! So yeah, try these out. I enjoy them. Hopefully you will enjoy them, but like I say, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.